Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, my friend. We are together with one beautiful Olympic question. Don't forget to like and follow for more videos. Please. You have different methods you can write in the comments. Let's start. Now first, let's remember the thing in numbers above. X over a. What was the b power? X to the a times b. Look, if you pay attention here, and what can I do with his friends over there? A can change. So what do I mean? X to the third power of 5 plus x to the fifth. I can write this as squared is equal to 36. Later, x to the fifth, let's give one name. X over 5. B equal to m. What will this expression become? Cube plus m squared is equal to 36. What can I do next? Let's arrange a little more. Cube plus m squared minus 36 is equal to 0. We can play with these 36 numbers, or we can add some term and subtract it. Let's think of the m cube. 3m squared plus 3m squared plus m squared minus 36 is equal to 0. Now if you pay attention, look what will be the sum of these two expressions, 0. So in my equation, any one thing will not change. Let's continue m cube, 3m squared. I'm collecting these two friends, plus 4m squared minus 36 is equal to 0. What can I do after that? That part can take this part in the m square bracket to the 4 bracket. 3 in m square bracket plus 4 in bracket m squared. 9 is equal to 0. There is a feature here right away. Let's remember what was this feature? The expression we call a squared minus b squared. A minus b times a plus b. If we apply it in our equation, what will it turn into? M squared m minus 3 plus 4 times. So m minus 3 times m plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, if you are going to pay attention here, m minus 3. 1 here is m minus 3. Then m minus 3 bracket. What can I do with this expression? M squared came from here. Sorry, we wrote them wrong. Let's delete them now. We were going to get the m3 bracket. In m3 bracket, m squared plus 4 times m plus 3 is equal 0. Then let's continue a little more. In m3 bracket, let's distribute m squared plus this expression. 4m plus 12 equals 0. This means that the expression is 0. It means your friend over there is 0, and that friend means to be 0. From here, m3 heard 0. Then the number we call m will come to a 3. And m squared plus 4m plus 12. This will have to come. Let's call it m1. Now let's look at this friend's delta. What did we call delta? b squared 4 times a c. Number we call a. X was the coefficient of the square. The number we call b. The coefficient of m is 4. The number we call c is the part here. That is 12. If I write them instead in delta now, 4 squared minus 4 times the number a is 1. The number we call c is 12. Delta equals 1648. Delta equals what will come, 32 less than 0. Now here we come to the part where we need to pay attention. Look what he told us in the question at the beginning of x. He said it was a real number. If I continue my transaction from here, if you pay attention, because it's smaller than 0, me1 to how did we find minus b plus minus root? Delta we were doing 2a like this. In this case, the expression m1.2. 4 plus minus 30 in the root 2, 2. m1.2 equals minus 2 plus, so minus 4 root 2 divided by 2 if I added a little more. The expression we call m1.2. 2 plus. Let's not say 2, we simplify it with 2. I think I wrote this by simplifying. Yes, there will be 4. 2 plus 2 root 2 I arrived. Look, this is what we found. What a number, guys. Complex is one number. In this case, there will be no one solution here. Then we just provide this equation. Who is our friend? 3 really? By substituting in the equation whether it provides. Let's find out, but what was the thing we called m? Let's look at it first. What did we say to m? We said x to the 5th. Now if we examine it here, the expression we call x to the 5th is equal to 3 then to find x on both sides of me. I need to get the 5th degree root. Be careful if you get the root from the 5th degree. They will take each other. X is equal to what will come in the 5th degree root 3. How can I write this differently? I can write x is equal to 3 to the 1 of 5. Now what was my initial equation? X to the 15 plus x to the 10 equals 36. Let's see the result when we write this equation. Will it come out to us correctly? I'm bringing it right away. I'm writing 3 to the 1, 5 to the 15, plus x to the 1, 5 to the 10, equal to 36. What can we use here now? Look, we expressed this in the previous feature. When we say a to the power of c to the power of b, we were multiplying the expressions here. So we can write this as a to the b times c. Then let's apply it right here. What about 3 to the 1, 5 times 15 plus here? It's not x, only this place should be 3, yes. 3 to the 1, 5 times 10 is 36. If we continue, look, when we multiply them, what will come from here? 3 to the 3 plus 3 to the top when we multiply them. 2 is equal to 36, we know what the third power of 3 is. We know what the square of 27/3 is. 10 equals 36. 36, yes indeed, 36 came. So we solved the question, right guys? Good one, Olympic question. Thank you for listening to me. Please don't forget to like and follow. Goodbye, see you, bye bye bye.